So, on this episode, I wanted to do a turntablism special. Hip hop DJing is where DJing really began. So, I think even if you're not a hip hop DJ, which I'm not, it is still important to learn about the history of what you're doing, the history of DJing, how it came about, and therefore you have to look into hip hop and turntablism. So, why don't we start off with you explaining what turntablism is?
Well, basically, turntablism is just using your turntable as an instrument. So, of course, normally a DJ would use the turntable to play music, other artists' music, especially when it started out, you just bought vinyl and played other music. But turntablism takes it a step beyond that, and you're using sounds from songs and using it to create, well, new sounds. For instance, you could beat juggle, use drum sounds on both decks to create a new drum pattern. Scratching is also a part of that, where you take sounds and you manipulate the platter, and actually you're able to communicate with that by scratching over a beat rhythmically. So turntablism just takes it a step beyond just playing songs. And you can do turntablism on other devices as well. The name just stems from DJs doing it on turntables, but you could do it on a CDJ as well. I'm not going to say that that's CJism or whatever. You're not going to give that a different name. I mean, some people use the term controllerism when DJs do it with a controller.
Do they?
Yeah, that was actually a term that was used once in a while, but it all stems from turntablism. So that's just it, using your device as an actual instrument instead of just playing music on it.
Right.